Everyone knows Chanakya and his Chanakya Niti. And today's video we will cover about Chanakya quotes on love, life and success. Chanakya, born 4th century BC in India, was also known as Kautilya or Vishnugupta and best recognized for his ancient Indian political treatise. His clever mind in classical economics had helped in establish the Maurya Empire. Chanakya was known as a teacher, a philosopher, an economist and a royal advisor. Even after hundreds of years, these Chanakya quotes are still a powerful inspiration in our lives. So here is the inspirational Chanakya quotes. Let's get enjoy. We return evil for evil, in which there is no sin, for it is necessary to pay a wicked man in his own coin. Avoid him who talks sweetly before you, but try to ruin you behind your back. For he is like a pitcher full of poison with a milk of top. One whose knowledge is confined to book and whose wealth is a possession of others can use neither knowledge nor wealth when the need for them arises. The life of an uneducated man is as useless as the tail of dog, which neither cover its rear and nor protect it from the beats of insect. As a single withered tree, it sets aflame, cause a whole forest to burn, so does a rascal son destroy a whole family. There is a poison in the fang of the serpent, in the mouth of the fly, and in the sting of a scorpion, but the wicked man is saturated with it. The king shall lose no time when the opportunity waited for arrives. Once you start working on something, don't be afraid of failure and don't be abandoned it. People who work sincerely are the happiest. There is no austerity equal to a balanced mind, and there is no happiness equal to contentment. There is no disease like covetousness and no virtue like mercy. Treat your kid like a darling for first 5 years. Next 5 years, scold them. By the time they turn 16, treat them like a friend. Your grown-up children are your best friend. Even if a snake is not poisonous, it should pretend to be venomous. Accumulated wealth is saved by spending, just as incoming fresh water is saved by letting out stagnant water. Before you start some work, always ask yourself these 3 questions. Why I am doing it? What the result might it be? Will I be successful? Only when you think deeply and find satisfactory answer to these questions, go ahead. Those base men who speak of his secret fault of others destroy themselves like serpent that stray onto ant hills. The testing time of the following are: the wife when the money is gone, the friend in the time of need, the relatives in the time of crisis, and the servants when they are assigned a mission. In such time they show their true faces. As compared to males, the female eat twice the amount of food, possesses cleverness 4 times, display courage 6 times, and exhibit lustful desire 8 times. He who is overly attached to his family members experiences fear and sorrow, for the root of all grief in the attachment. Thus one should discard attachment to be happy. The fragrance of flowers is spread only in the direction of wind, but the godness of a person is spread in all directions. Happiness and peace attained by those satisfied by the nectar of spiritual tranquility are not attained by greedy persons restlessly moving here and there. One destitute of wealth is not destitute, he is indeed rich, but the man devoid of learning is destitute in every way. It is better to die than preserve life by incurring disgrace. The loss of life only a pain, a movement, but disgrace every day of one life. Do not reveal what you have thought upon doing, but by wise counsel keep it secret, being determined to carry it into execution. We have to make people soft who are hard, to attract those who are far. If they do bad for us, then even considering our aim, we should always love them. The one excellent thing that can be learned from a lion is that whatever a man intends doing should be done by him with a whole-hearted and strenuous effort. The wise man should restrain his senses like the crane and accomplish his purpose with due knowledge of his peace, time and ability. As soon as the fear approaches near, attack and destroy it. The earth is supported by the power of truth. It is the power of truth that makes the sun shine and the wind blow. Indeed, all things rest upon truth. Education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. Wealth, a friend, a wife, and a kingdom may be regained, but this body when lost may never be acquired again. So I hope guys you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and press the notification bell icon for next motivated videos. Thank you.